Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, and I'm here on our apartment, 6th floor, and it's heavy rain. We're supposed to go out until realize that it's raining. Oh my goodness. Look at that pool. Look at that man-made creek. It's a reservoir. Oh, it's so nice to sleep. And see that? I love the sound of the rain and the breeze of it. I wish I could go back to my younger years. We used to shower in the rain. Right. Oh, that's so nice. That's so cool. Rain, rain, rain gently falls. Rain gently falls whenever we say goodnight. See, I'm singing and the rain is getting harder. Alright, that's all for now.